dreams ko, sa priorities ko. Kasi iba ko magmahal din.
Uy!
I gave it all. I
Sana,
gave it all.
sana tinatanggap kasi, di ba?
Yeah.
Sana tinatanggap.
Yeah.
Kung
Ikaw, kumare ha. Tell me something you do not know.
I don't know anything, kumare. Sorry, I swear, I don't know anything.
Pero ayun, parang ganun na nga. But learnings ko dun is that giving too much and not, saving up for yourself. Kaya kayo kung magmahal kayo or if you like someone, you're trying to, initiate, you're trying to message them, try to put an effort para ma-feel nila na love mo sila. But then maybe they don't like you or just they like you but they neglected you. You're not their first priority. Para sa akin kasi gusto ko 50-50. Dapat kung ano tatong sa'yo, ganun din tato mo sa akin. Kasi, you know what? Ayokong bare minimum lang. Tapos ako yung nagbibigay ng 100% effort. I mean, di ba ang unfair? Ang unfair lang sa part ko kasi na-experience ko siya. And it's painful kasi you overthink.
Yeah.
Aside sa overthinking, you can't sleep. Si kumari witness dyan, I can't sleep.
I remember calling, nagdalunod ako ng TV. Tapos, naabutan ko siyang online. Sabi ko, kumari, why are you still up? Sabi I can't sleep. Nagchikahan kami about it. Siyempre, sa amin na lang yun, di ba?
Namin na yun. Siyempre.
Secret namin yun.
Can't sleep. Kayo makakatulog. Huwag kayo papayag na bare minimum lang ibibigay sa inyo at kayo lang yung backlist, kayo yung back file na alam nila nandun ka, nakikita nilang nandun ka, pero hindi ikaw yung unang kinuha.
Real talk yan. Uy, saan yan galing? Ang dami yan. Lagi na hugot. Pero totoo yun. Yun is inspiration and text you first. Kasi I wrote it with Angie's story. Sobrang nakaka-inspire. Doon ko lang nakumpleto yung text you first kasi nung na-meet ko siya after. Yung 5 versions na yun, hindi pa yun nakumpleto. Wala akong nagugustuhan until I met Angie. Yan, totoo yan. Saksi yung mga ibang friends ko sa mental gymnasium. Yun talaga yung laman ng nung chat namin. Yun, yung parang kami, nag-send ako mga demo sa friends ko, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, ang daming reject versions nung yung text you first. Tapos, di ko siya bit. Tapos, nung na-meet ko si Angie, na kompleto talaga yung thought na parang the whole meaning of text you first is protecting your pride. Dapat may natitira para sa sarili mo. Parang don't text first, know your limits, ganyan. Mga ganun. Para hindi ka ma-feel na...
For yourself din. Save up the dignity that you have.
Yung natitira mong dignidad. Tago mo. Yeah.
Tago mo. Kasi dapat talaga kapag totoo kang nagmahal, kahit wala sila, masaya ka. But you're contented with yourself. Kasi parang nagiging insecure ka because of their action. Maybe they notice it, they're aware of it. Maybe they're not, but then they constantly doing it to you. And, it's not healthy. You have to save love for yourself.
Need to save some love. Save some love. Ay, na marinig nyo, sobrang bago siya for, in my opinion sobrang bago siya for the P-pop industry, the OPM industry. It's a new sound na, I don't know, maybe you guys want to try listening, para, para pakinggan nyo, ganyan.
Mari, amin ito makakukonek. Kasi dito, pwede din dito sa mga na-ghosted. Pwede din tong kantang ito sa na-ghosted. Message kayo sa mahal nyo. Hindi lang kayo binimessage. Sinisindong kayo.
Yun yung pinaka-ayaw ko, yung pag-ghost.
Yeah.
Yung ayaw ko yun. As in super, don't do that to me. me, please don't ghost people, especially when may connection na kayo. Tapos parang may, halimbawa, may na-form na kayong connection, may napag-usapan na kayo, may nasimulan na kayo. At least, talk to the person kasi masakit yun. Kayo mag-ghost bigla ng tao. Ganyan. Gets mo?
Leave somebody, hanging, thinking na what did I do wrong? Did I do something wrong? There's something wrong with me?
Mm-hmm.
Weird. Ganun yung mga tanong, mag-overthink talaga yung tao. Tayo naman natin na, makasagot tayo at paano tayo ng mental health.
Tama. Tapos pag-usapan natin yung...
Pati ko sa yung tanong, na-experience mo na ba na maging back burner?
Parang graduate na ako ilang beses yan with flying colors. As in, parang, kaya nga siya dyan di ba? Parang I'm not gonna text you first kasi parang ako yung sobrang enthusiastic na tao. Sobrang grabe ko magbigay ng interest, ng pagmamahal. As in, when I like you, you will know. Kasi makikita mo na hindi ako ganun sa ibang tao. Sobrang dead ako sa ibang tao, ganyan-ganyan. Sobrang, alam mo yun, indifferent ko sa iba. But when I like you, I really show you how I feel. Sobrang transparent kong tao and hirap ako mamlastik ng tao. Tapos parang yung iba, take advantage, parang nasasanay sila sa, sa